When dealing with complex parts, especially in the tool manufacturing and medical sectors, programming fluency is vital. With the composite 5-axis cycle, Esprit delivers a patented, unique-in-the-market machining strategy that covers the widest variety of parts from every sector. With one single interface, the Esprit 5-axis composite machining cycle allows users to independently define machining patterns and tool orientation to be used for creating simultaneous 5-axis tool paths. Combining patterns and orientation, you will benefit from more than 20 different machining strategies within one single interface. This is an unprecedented advancement in simplifying the work of CNC programmers. Whether you are challenged with a part requiring a high grade of precision, or if you have a part with complex shapes, Esprit's composite 5-axis cycle offers you the most optimized machining strategy.